In today's episode, we will be challenging my student pilot who has only 20 flight hours on a long dual cross-country from Kahului, Maui to Lihue, Kauai. This journey will take us over 180 nautical miles, including over 80 miles of open ocean. He will have to navigate, encounter inadvertent IFR conditions, where we will have to challenge him to get down and VFR into Kauai. And then on the way back, he will be challenged with crosswinds that are direct components of 19 knots. And let's see how he does today.
So there's Pearl Harbor. This is the view that the Japanese Zeros had.
Hotel Blue 32 is at the north up, hovering operations, north ramp.
Blue 32, the hotel, roger.
Alright, start your final turn.
This is a 9 Foxtrot uniform. You'll be number
high.
2 behind a Cirrus, turning right base to final
Reduce
for
your
runway
power
3.
to 20%.
Number 2, runway 3, follow Cirrus, have the Cirrus in sight, 9 Foxtrot uniform.
Kia. Hey, Mike Juliet,
very
heading
high. Reduce to
040,
15%.
contact
Come on.
H2 Center, have a good day.
Heading 040 with departure.
500.
There you go. Center line, center line, center line. Good. Center line. A little bit of power now. Good. You're not trim. Oh. Come on, trim. There you go. Much better. Center line. Okay. Reduce your power. Why are you getting so much power? Reduce power. Blue donut. Come on. Fly the airplane. Blue donut. There you go.
Blue 32,
All right, now flat around.
departure with Oscar.
Blue 32, departure on risky caution, proceed west.
Nice. Good job. Idle? Yep.
Number 9 Foxtrot uniform, runway 3, cleared to land.
Right, land, runway 3.
We're going to take the next taxiway right over there.
Eight Hotel Whiskey is level at 5,000.
8 Hotel Whiskey can descend and maintain 3,500.
Descending and maintaining 3,500, 8 Hotel Whiskey.
Good. Punch it 2 times. Good. Down to 3,500.
Pressure 9,000, kilo altimeter 3000.
Pressure 90,000, 1342.
November 808 Hotel Whiskey, contact tower 118.7.
Going to tower.
Going to Tower 8 Hotel Whiskey.
Okay, both feet on the pedals.
And 8 Quebec here, you can descend and
And
maintain
go ahead,
3,000 now,
top
thanks.
3,000.
Get rid of top 1. Good. Tower 8 Hotel Whiskey is inbound.
Tower 8 Hotel Whiskey is inbound.
Cirrus 808 Hotel Whiskey, my tower, wind 05019, gust 30, runway 2, cleared to land.
And Alaska 12 is ready taxi.
Okay, 12, runway 2, taxi.
Yeah, as soon as we put in half laps, then we'll go to back to about 20% power.
Blue 3, ready to contact over Kahului Airport, Southside.
All right, autopilot off.
500, Blue 3.
Autopilot off. 1, 2.
Good.
Okay.
Excellent. All right, and now you can go half laps.
Can I go half laps?
Sure, and trim it forward. There you go. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Beautiful. And get yourself lined up with center line, so a little more to the right.
Come on, go there.
Winch it.
Wind 05019, gust 30.
Use your pedals as you need. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Now you're crabbing. Good. Bring the nose up a little bit. Get a little bit of downdraft.
Coast Guard Oxer 1 Maui Tower, runway 2 at Echo, taxi via Echo, change to my frequency 118.7.
Bring the nose up a little bit. You're low. 2 Echo, clear to Get the 2 red, 2 white, good. And shortly we'll put in full flaps in just a second. Nice, looking good. Your trim. Nice. Angle text coming in. Right on that center line. So there you go. The nose should be pointed right to the right of the runway. There you go. That's it.
500.
Good.
I don't see the blue downwind.
Yeah, it's because we're fast. All right, now full flaps.
Okay, full flaps.
4 clicks forward.
3,
Good.
forward.
Yeah, nice. Good. He's looking good.
Getting
Blue 3,
slow.
register, turn with squawk VFR.
Okay, let's get on that center line.
Blue 3, we'll see you, thanks.
Good. Little bit of power. A little bit of power. That's it. Good. Just like that. Just like that. Perfect. Beautiful.
More power.
No, I think it's good.
Getting slow.
Go a little more to the right. Good. And a little bit of left pedal to keep you aligned with the runway. Bring the nose up a little bit. Right there, right there. Okay, trim it, trim it, trim it. Add a little power, add a little power. Come on, add a little power. That's it. Good. Check.
Wind 060 at 18, gust 30.
All right, so we got a good stiff crosswind.
Getting
Can you
slow.
land it?
No, it's good. We're going to do it together. So a little bit to the right. Bring the power back a little bit. Reduce the power. Good. Good, perfect. Just hold that. That's great. Okay. Back on the center line.
Getting slow.
Good. Okay. Idle. Good. Just hold that. Hold that. Okay, now a little left pedal. Left pedal. That's it, right there. Now pull up a little bit. Good. Nice. And we'll take Echo, let it roll.
Medevac
Bring the
911 Zulu
flaps up.
Foxtrot, Maui Tower, runway 2 at Echo,
Good
taxi via Echo.
job. It's like wrestling with a bull for a little while, huh?